What's up, guys? We're back, and today we're making before I tell you that, I want Kaushik to tell me, and make sure you go check out the other video where we made this nice and cool fierce claw. Yeah. So let's get right into it. So Kaushik, what are we making?
Today we're making a paper. We're making a paper that makes sound.
So let's get started.
The first step is you need like this.
You might see we already made it because we failed a couple of times. So let's get started again.
First you have to fold it a little bit. Then you have to do it. Then you have to do it. Then do it again.
Do it again and again.
Then you have to leave the last part. Don't do the last part.
Don't do the last part.
Don't do the last part. Doesn't matter because like if you do it, you have a little gap and you can't do it.
So
and if you even do that, you can't make the noise. The second step is
flip it over. So he did this and he flipped it over.
Flip it over. Now get this one and put it here.
Fold it in half.
Then you might want to do this. You want to do this. You want to pull this one to the back.
Kaushik, can you show us that again?
Okay.
Our friends might be.
Like you want to pull this one to back.
Yeah, pull it back.
Pull it back and put it here. You might want to leave it like this little triangle.
Don't press this part. See, it's kind of like fat. Don't press that part.
You may want to hold it here.
So you may want to here's the tip. You see that tip? But you may want to hold it right here.
Right here.
Yeah, that's good.
The next step is you might want to do like
flick it.
Flick it. Wait, it's not equal. You can make mistakes.
Yeah, never give up. Yeah, never give up.
Even I made a mistake.
He just did it right now.
Why is it not?
What?
The paper is unequal.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. Okay, let's do it. He did that. And he's pulling this part out, I guess.
I want to do like this, so it gets easier for you to pull. The next step, it has to be unequal.
It has to be
then,
equal.
Now do what I think. I think it will work.
Pull it.
Pull it. Don't do it. The next step is wait, it's working a little. Why is
maybe you need to hold that tip?
No. See?
Maybe let me try it.
Wait. I know how to do this.
There you go.
Wait, I'll show you again.
Okay, tell them the trick. What did you do?
You hold it like this. I can't do it.
No,
what is happening?
Let me try.
You should not hold there.
Yeah, I think I have an idea. Let me try. Let's figure this out, guys. So let me try. There you go. Flick it hard, guys.
No, not hard. I made a mistake.
What did you?
It has to be perfect.
It has to be perfect.
But the next step, you might notice is one step back. You might want to fold it over again. That's what happens.
Yep, that's what happens.
Like that.
Yeah, let's go.
You might want to flip it again. Like, this is a good thing to do because this is the awesome trick. When your mom and dad is sleeping so good, you do so fast that they get scared. You make a big sound that they get scared.
Let's not get them into trouble.
And
that's pretty good.
Scared.
You can scare your mom like when they're working or cooking.
Mad.
So that's it. Why don't we let Kaushik do one more single try? So let's see. So he just does. And here goes.
Ready?
Oh boy. That was awesome. Alright guys, give a big shout out to Kaushik for showing us how to make a paper that makes sound. It's really cool. And make sure you don't forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe, geez, my camera almost fell. And if you subscribe, make sure you leave a like. This was pretty cool. And hit that bell button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave a like.
We love notifications.
Make sure you hit that big bell button, and then we would love to hear your comments. And show us if you make this. Send us a picture of this if you make this.
Send picture and comment, dude.
Yes, you can. You can send videos.
Oh, I never know that.
Oh well, he doesn't know anything. I'm just kidding, Kashi. Okay, and we'll see you next time. And this was really cool. Shout out to give a big shout out to Kashi.
And Venu.
Give a shout out by leaving a like and a comment saying shout out Kaushik. And that's it. Make sure you subscribe and share this video.
My name spelled as Kaushik. And Venu is spelled as
Venu. Okay. See you guys next time, and bye bye.